Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, 7th verse. Arjuna said, "My nature is overwhelmed by weakness, and my mind is confused about my duty. I cannot understand what is truly right for me. I am asking you to guide me. I am now your disciple and have surrendered to you. Please tell me clearly what is truly best for me and guide me on the right path." Here, Arjuna's greatness lies in the fact that he did not arrogantly believe that he knew everything. Should he fight or not? Should he fight against his own relatives or not? Which is his duty? Arjuna became completely confused about these questions. Finally, he tells Krishna, "I am unable to make a decision. Please show me the right path." This is a major turning point in the Bhagavad Gita. Until now, Arjuna was expressing his own opinions, but from this verse onward, he is ready to receive wisdom as a disciple.